I assembled some salmon poke bowls. I went to the farmer's market, I saw the little pack, and I was like, these are gonna come in handy when I host later today. Basically made a bed of spring mix with some broccoli sprouts, shredded carrots, cucumber, avocado, and then my purple forbidden rice. This looks hella good and much healthier than anything I put in my body in a long time. All right, let's give this a go. Okay, cheers.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's good. It is supper time, and I'll be cracking open one of my tried and trues, my good old faithful. It is also time to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video and also for being a consistent figure in my life. I have been using HelloFresh for years, and they're probably the reason why I feel comfortable in the kitchen. Like, cooking takes practice, and HelloFresh has really made it so easy for me to cook at home and make it fun. Tonight, Ben will be preparing us the creamy shrimp and bacon spaghetti. Ooh, this looks delicious. They have 40 weekly recipes to choose from for all types of preferences or meal occasions. We're on like a very special pescatarian but also like meat plan because Ben is pescatarian, we eat meat. Kind of complicated, but regardless, we have meals to fit that. Once you select your meals, it is delivered straight to your front door. Say goodbye to decision fatigue. There's no like humming and awing what you want to have for dinner anymore. It has been selected. You have chosen it beforehand like a responsible adult. All the ingredients in this bag are fresh, wholesome, and have been picked at peak ripeness, so you can really taste the quality. Like, you're actually getting fresh farm-to-table meals to your door in less than 7 days. It is absolutely incredible. I cannot recommend HelloFresh enough. If you guys are interested, I've got a code. It's JENIM60. You get 60% off plus free shipping. Again, the code is JENIM60, and you apply that at HelloFresh.com. I will also leave this in the description box, so please pop it open. Shall we dig in?
Yes, we shall, babe. Good job.
Good job. Teamwork.
We teamed up, as you can see from the changing of different hands during that.
Whoa. This is good. It's a rainy day. It's like chucking outside. So we're this close to ordering out, but we're like, nah. We're gonna cook. We're gonna make our own HelloFresh meal.
Yeah. We have 30 minutes to do it. What do you think, buddy? It's yours.
So I decided to start the day off with an egg and cheese sandwich. I wanted a classic. So this is something that I actually don't make very often, so I'm thrilled to be eating this. On the side, I've got a spring mix with some feta cheese and an heirloom tomato that was on its way out. And yeah, this will be my meal. I'm gonna start off with the salad first. I love feta cheese. Oh my God. It's good, but I think it'll be better with this. Now we're talking. decided to do something a little bit out of the box. I wanted to make minestrone soup, but I realized we also had mushroom ravioli, and so I decided to just remix it and add it. If you think about it, ravioli is like an Italian dumpling. In any Korean soup, I would just be happy to dump dumplings.
Dump a dumpling in there.
Dump a dumpling.
Yeah.
Is that where the dumpling comes from?
Dumpling. Great, babe. I love the mushroom dumpling idea. Filled with goodness. Your soups are always super.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers, babe.
Cheers. You could actually do a real cheers.
Oh yes, good point.
Yeah.
Cheers with the bread. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tuss.
Tuss.
Tuss means to us.
Yeah, I never explain that to
Yeah.
them. Yeah, but every time we cheers, we say tuss.
Well, it used to be to us, and then it was like to us, and it was to us, and tuss.
Tuss.
And then it was tuss.
Tuss. Tuss.
Oh, great. It's wonderful.
Satisfactory.
More than that.
Wow.
Wonderful with the rosemary bread.
No?
No.
No?
No.
Wait, but it's good.
Charm.
No. He will avoid any vegetable. Thank you.
He needs you so
He needs
bad.
me.
Yeah.
This is my first attempt at these rice paper egg omelets. I added some green onions and red pepper and a squirt of mayo in each. So we'll see how these taste. It's pretty good. The rice paper is still kind of hard, so maybe I should wet it first. Hello. What do you have? Oh wow, that looks good. Yours looks really good. Wow. It's really good. Feeling a little peckish, so I'm making myself a lovely bowl of cereal. This is Ben's like chocolate protein one, and I just added some milk to it. This looks freaking delicious. This tastes like a healthier version of Frosted Flakes, but there's also almonds in it. There's a lot of texture in here. For dinner, I've prepared me and Lennon 닭볶음탕 but without gochujang. So it's basically everything except for the spice. These days when I'm cooking dinner, I just like to have an option where Lennon can have it too. But speaking of Ben, he is having leftovers from yesterday.
Well, it was so good, the minestrone soup yesterday. I had to have it again, so I've added a bit of pasta, a bit more carbs. It's delicious, guys. Thank you very much, babe.
Terrific. Well, he's really trying to use his fork now.
Com cabelos cor de mel singela.
For brunch, Oma and I are having 고등어 조림.
고등어 김치조림.
And then we have our beautiful Sam from the backyard. And Oma also prepared some miyeokguk. This has tofu in it because Lennon loves tofu. All right, 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Not much stuff. I like to do like a big selection of different types of leaves. I mean, I think the most traditional leaf for wrapping is this one. So then I put a little bit of samjang and then a little plop of rice. And we'll get a bit of mackerel. And you could even get like a little piece of kimchi. You can really freestyle. Wrap it into a little ball and attempt to just put it all in your mouth. Tonight we are doing a family pizza night. Woo!
Yes, babe, flatbread party. Look at this, buddy.
It's awesome. We've got two types of pizzas. One is a marinara sauce, and then Lennon has a garlic-based one because he's not too big of a fan of marinara. All right, here you go.
I like the way you've made the zucchini, like shredded the zucchini, so he doesn't know. He doesn't like green stuff very much.
Yeah.
You like it? Thank you,
Bon
babe.
appetit.
I appreciate it. This is lovely. Cheers, babe. Oh, great.
Wow, this is a loaded pizza.
That's fantastic. It holds its weight as well, you know?
It does.
It's not overloaded.
It's substantial. Aw, thanks. What do you think, Lennon? Pretty good? Wow, he's really eating the zucchini. He has no idea. I decided to utilize all the leftovers that were in the fridge. I'm gonna make it into like a breakfast burrito. On another plate, I've added the extra innards and then a little omelet that Ben didn't want. And then for my last touch, I'm gonna add a drizzle of tapatio. Let's have a bite. Ben's omelet. I think Feta is one of my favorite cheeses. It's like, it's almost like cream cheese, but thicker and a little bit tangier. So it just adds like a nice sharp kick to anything you add it to.
If you can shell out the cash, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed in the quality. It's absolutely beautiful and the dresses look lovely on me. I feel like such a garden mom in them. Every single
drink from the ladle by the moon. The blood expanded across the fields, like chrysanthemums in bloom. It's doing so much to feel, and we're all just sick inside. So work it out, stick it out, work it out. Oh, 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 oh. And a promise is a promise. Will you finish what you started? I was born to believe that change in the leaves could really mean anything. Love, I crossed the mountains and the ocean for ya. Just to see, I need that old love.
have your favourite salmon. We've got with a nice Italian herb seasoning to freshen it up, give it a bit of zest. We've got some lovely couscous, just because. Absolutely delicious. What do you think?
Oh my god, this looks freaking amazing.
Obviously this is all HelloFresh. They made the map, I just drove down it.
That's a good one. That's a really good one. They did make the map. Oh my god, this looks freaking amazing. Thank you so much.
Of course, babe. Thank you for doing all the other meals.
I've never had salmon with couscous before, and it just makes sense. It's so good.